Okay. Well, hey guys, how's it going? It is me, LazyB, and I am freaking back with a new stand for my mic. Hopefully the audio in non-gameplay videos will be better now that I can get the mic closer and less annoying noises. My external power supply kind of makes strange noises for some reason since I came back. Hopefully it will not explode because it's close to my legs. That will be horrible. Anywho, we're here for unboxing, and we will be unboxing the smaller figure, which is, oh yeah, by the way, those are things that I bought from my trip. One of them, well, two of them are big, and there's a bunch of small stuff, so I'll combine them into one video. Anywho, we're gonna unbox this dude, aka do that. I don't know what you see there. You don't see anything that I need to be worried about. It's 15 plus for the age. Production date November 2021. Figure Blizzard Diablo Crusader, aka the Crusader, Holy Warrior, Order of the Zakarum. And of course, here's a small sneak peek, and here's a bigger sneak peek. So, because I didn't buy a huge luggage for myself, I needed to compensate with the quality of the packaging. So I removed most of the foam. This one has one foam piece. It should be like in a square made of foam. It has like half of it. The other figure has none of it. They came in a good condition. I didn't see any scratches, nothing on them. But that means like there's not the whole unboxing experience. I'll show you what I mean. The other one is just sitting in the box. I didn't look at them really. This one, as you can see, half of the foam is in. Only half. Anywho, let me just 1 second. Ta-da! Well, you don't see nothing. Ta-da! Here we go. This is the Crusader. Pretty cool looking. First of all, when those figures came out, I didn't... Oh, really? I didn't see that. Okay. I didn't really like the style they made the figures in, but I guess if you want to make it like realistic or something, well, realistic, if you want to make them all from the same series, you have to compensate for some kind of a stylized style. And this is kind of cartoonish. Still good looking though. What's this? Oh no. Oh. There's green over here. There's green over here. And pretty good quality. As you can see, it's very cartoonish. As you can see, it's very cartoonish. But it's still pretty good. I don't know about you guys, but I really like the figure. Overall, the quality is pretty good. The paint job is one of the best ones I saw. It's not like flawless, I wouldn't say. There are like places that are kind of not that good. But then again, they create a non-specific amount of them. So It's moving through a factory. You'll have some oopsie poopsies here and there. It's not like they create like 500 of those and that's it. It's not like my spawn, if you can see him in the case inside. Anywho, this is it. This is the Crusader. This is the freaking Crusader. And it's not a very it's not a very expensive figure, but I wanted to order this and the other one, which by the way you should leave a like and, you know, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, so you'll get notified when I do the other one, the other unboxing. They're not cheap, but they're not also expensive. They're kind of in a good area in terms of how much it costs. Of course, there it is. If you didn't know, I went to Prague, and it is a little bit cheaper than it would have been here, but not a big difference. At least when I went there, I could have looked at least at the packaging, at this statue that let me look at this one, but the other one they didn't show me. For some reason, they didn't want to open the packaging, I guess. So when I saw it with my own eyes, and then I could have decided better than that I like it and I really want the figure. If you buy it from the internet, you don't know what you're gonna get. To be honest, it's very convenient to buy stuff on the internet, but sometimes you really want to know exactly what you're getting. So this one and the other one aren't, I don't think they're still anywhere and anyhow big as the Mewtwo figure, but the other one is closer to the Mewtwo size. The other one is a little bit bigger than this one. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. This was the unboxing, and we'll do more soon-ish. Thank you so much for watching again, and go and subscribe. You don't want to miss the other ones.